We're in San Diego. Well, Oceanside to be exact. It's a vlog. It's a brewery vlog. It's a big one. There's so much to see here. There's so many freaking breweries. Before I jump into it all, we already went to one. Let's go check it out. Let's do the journey from the beginning, check it out, and then continue from there. And we'll get into more details of this. But let's get it going. All good. The rye is really good. I see why it won. It's balanced, it's creamy. The hazy's my favorite though. IPA is good. It's made with hibiscus in it, is that right? Mm-hmm. I don't have many meats, but it's very good. We can't fit both of us in this shot, unfortunately. The table's not out enough. Solid beer. Alright, on to the next one. So that was Breakwater Brewery. We went there to get lunch in Oceanside. And then we're heading down to proper San Diego. We're still about 45 minutes north of proper San Diego. Is San Diego proper? Is that a thing? Is Oceanside San Diego County?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Yeah, this is it. We're doing it. We're making a vlog of San Diego. It is way overdue. We're very close to San Diego. We're 2 hours north of it. We've been here like 5-6 times on our own just to see some breweries. Oceanside alone has like 7-8 breweries. And look at the map right now. And that's just Oceanside. And you go down the coast and there's probably another 30. And then you go to San Diego, there's another like 60. And then I think San Diego has the biggest per capita, I want to say. Or is it Oregon or Portland? I think San Diego might have the most. Since I've been down here, there's been like probably another 30 that have opened. So I hit a buddy up and I said, hey, where are we going? Where should I go? He lives in the area. He's a big beer guy. He said go to Miramar. And he said just go there. There's like 5 to 6 breweries really close to each other. And they're all great. That's where he recommends going. So I was like, you know what? It's too big to navigate on our own. We're doing it. I also have to drop off some homebrew for Homebrew Con that's coming up. And AleSmith is the closest one to me. I could drop it off. So it's also another reason to go. And it's also the first one we're going to. And we're very excited. Random. Super amazing place. This place is very large.
It's huge.
As you can see, the clips I showed. Drop up the homebrew. That's ready to go. That is done. Not all that was mine, by the way. Just 6 bottles. 3 entries. By the way, we're in a little cool like private event area. It's like our own little tasting room.
Waffle stout.
Waffle stout. It's good. It's hefty. I didn't get the ABV percentage on it. Ooh. I showed more details on it. I took a screenshot of it or I filmed it. Look back at it if you want. Vietnamese stout, Speedway stout, coffee with Vietnamese coffee in it. Quite delicious.
This one he said was winning awards?
Yeah, he said it's very well liked along in the beer community. It's good. It's very, very balanced, very nice. This one he said the flour was edible.
Oh, he's not eating it.
We'll see, I might. There's a high Hola Pale Ale with my Bruco combination. I'm taking a bite of it. I did it. It tastes like a plant.
It does taste like a plant.
Yeah, so what would that? I guess a flower is a plant, right? So I just chose the Brute IPA, which is the last one we're about to try. And I said, go for whatever you choose. It's my new motto going into breweries. I don't care what they give me. Could be all stouts, could be all IPAs. It's a brewery IPA.
He said it was just tapped.
Just tapped. It's not my favorite. It's slightly off. I don't know if it's diacetyl. It's not diacetyl. It just seems to like, I think it's almost too fresh. I've had IPAs that actually need to sit a little longer. It could be that. But it's not bad. I do enjoy it.
What's your favorite?
I think this pale ale is my favorite. But this is great too. I don't know if I could have a full pint of this or this. This is about the limit for me.
I think I could. This one would be.
It'd be hard. It'd be hard. So this is AleSmith. It's awesome. Really cool space.
Yeah.
And we're going to finish the fight here and go on to the next one. Next, we're going to Pure Project and what looks like Amplified next door. I don't know if we're going to go to Amplified too, but I don't know we're next door to each other, but Pure Project first. Check it out.
Tell everybody I see. I'm gonna tell everybody I agree. I'm gonna tell everybody I see. I'm gonna.
It's loud and crowded in here, so we tried them all already. And this is a Saison with hibiscus and honey, a regular hazy, triple IPA with dragon fruit, a sour with cab and Malbec grapes, vanilla coconut, corn, sour, and rum barrels. They're all great. I think I like this triple with dragon fruit the best.
I think I like the stout best.
Sour's good. Now, this place isn't very big, but it's packed.
Poppin'.
Poppin'. The beer's great.
It's pretty.
It's really pretty. Samplified's next door. You're either going to go there right now, or we'll see us in the car talking about the next place. We did not go to Amplified Brewery. We just, we had their beer before, or Sarah's told me I've had it before. I thought it was pretty good, so she tells me. Didn't do it. But we are going to another one called Protector. Protector. I keep wanting to say Projector. Protector Brewery.
Like a projection.
And then we're going to end the journey for this particular video for homebrewers. This is a place I've been wanting to go to for a while. It is something that was near and dear to a lot of people's hearts. It's very exciting. But first, Protector. I wasn't kidding. I meant to say Protector. It's not the brewery. Probably not going to go to it, but there's three. There's three within this little tiny little block here. Not even a block, this thing we're in. Hazy lager, a juicy IPA, hazy IPA, but I didn't see what was in it.
Hazy IPA.
A Citra IPA, hazy IPA, and then regular West Coast style. So I want to try the hazy lager, which is...
It's not a hazy, it's
it's unfiltered.
Unfiltered. That's interesting. What is that at the end?
Slight contamination, maybe?
But it's like peppery.
It just might, it's not, it's like a little phenolic. Right? Yeah, it's a little...
I don't know, there's something at the end there. It's just different. But I don't know if that's the unfilteredness.
No, it's not flavor. I think it's either phenols or it's a little contaminated. Oh, that's good.
Juice?
A little bit more
still like
citrusy.
drinkable and approachable.
Yeah.
Like sometimes those really big, huge hazies, too much.
I'm not a huge hazy person. It's good, but it's not like fresh, like bomb. That that Citra that you get that's like fresh.
Yeah, I agree.
It's good though. It's nice. It tastes like it's been sitting around a little bit. It's not oxidized, not off, but it's not
it's totally drinkable.
Not fresh. So this is the, what was this one again?
That's the West Coast.
The West Coast IPA. Tastes similar to this one. Like it's not like super fresh tasting.
Yeah, I want it a bit brighter.
Yeah, brighter, more like, when you smell an IPA and you're like, oh, and you taste it and you go, oh, it's so good. Like pine or Citra or
But it's
citrus.
Cool. They're doing all organic beers.
It's very organic. It's all organic. It's not a bad beer by any means. It is good. This one has some a little off on it, but these three are very drinkable. They're very delicious. Just different too. It's definitely, maybe it's on purpose, but definitely unique. Yeah. Very unique.
Yeah. The surprise one next.
The surprise one is next. What's great about the last place is even Sarah has no idea where we're going.
Nope.
Do you have a guess?
I have one thought.
I'm gonna edit it out if you guess it. What is it? I'm gonna edit it out. All right, you know what? That's it. We've hit the peak. This is a great close to this day. I'm calling it here, and I'm gonna enjoy some dinner. Go to a hotel, explore a little bit, but that's it. That's pretty much it for the vlog. And there's gonna be a part 2 for this. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you next time. And get out there and brew, and get out there and have fun. Any closing words, Sarah?
Get out there and brew, guys.